Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you want to speak English confidently in daily life? Today, you will learn 19 common English sentences that are used when greeting someone. These simple phrases will help you start conversations politely and naturally. Let's begin. All right, let's go through these basic greetings together. The first word is hi. It's just a simple and friendly greeting you can use with anyone. Next, good morning. You'll want to use this greeting anytime before noon. Moving on, good afternoon. This is the one to use once it's afternoon. Then we have good evening. Use this when you're meeting someone later in the day, in the evening. And good night. Use this one when you're leaving for the night or just about to go to sleep. All right, let's learn how to introduce yourself. The first sentence is, what is your name? You can use this to ask someone what their name is. Next, my name is. Followed by your name. Use this whenever you want to introduce yourself to others. And, sorry, I did not hear you. This is perfect to use when you couldn't quite hear what someone just said. Now let's look at how to ask about someone else. The first question is, where do you live? Use this when you want to ask someone about their current home. Next, where are you from? This is a great way to ask about someone's hometown or the country they are from. And that's it. 2 simple questions to help you get to know people better. Next, let's talk about asking about well-being. The first one is, how are you? This is a very common way to ask someone how they are feeling. Next, fine, thank you. This is a simple and polite response you can give. And you? Use this to ask the same question back to the other person. Great, now you know how to check in with people. Moving on to some friendly expressions, the first one is, nice to meet you. You'll want to use this when you're meeting someone for the very first time. Next, nice to see you. This is perfect for when you meet someone you already know. And have a nice day. This is a very polite and kind way to wish someone well as you part ways. There you go. 3 more phrases to help you sound more natural. Now, let's learn how to say goodbye. The first phrase is, see you later. Use this when you expect to meet the person again soon. Next, see you tomorrow. This is the one to use when you know you will meet the person the very next day. And goodbye. This is a standard, more formal way to end a conversation. And that completes our list. You're all set to start greeting people with confidence.
Okay, now practice time. Repeat after me. Hi, good morning. How are you? Fine, thank you. And you? Nice to meet you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Great job. Now try using these greetings in your daily conversations. Which sentence do you use most often? Let me know in the comments. If you found this lesson helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more English learning lessons. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.